Master Squad, welcome back to my channel. Today I actually wanted to show you an easy, simple way of how I make cold brew at home. So I start off with the Starbucks Veranda blend. It's the blonde roast. I really like this one and I suggest you give it a try. And I also need a French press. Mine is about 30 ounces. I got it from IKEA. It's really affordable. You can find it at IKEA. But if you don't have a water pitcher as big as mine, it doesn't matter. You can use a smaller one or a bigger one. So I'm going to also need a measuring cup. The only reason why I have this because I wanted to show you guys exactly how much coffee grinds I use within one pitcher. So I use about exactly 1 cup. If you have a pitcher that is bigger, you can use more. And if you have a pitcher that is smaller, you can use less. But it's really all up to you how strong you want your coffee. So you would actually need a pitcher of water. It could be cold filtered water or room temperature filtered water, whatever you prefer. So I usually just fill it all the way to the top. Then I grab any spoon near me. I grabbed like the biggest spoon, I don't know why, but I guess that was all I had around. So you mix it for about a solid 5 minutes. Then we are actually going to wrap it up. I'm going to put it in the fridge for about 16 to 20 hours. I choose 20 hours just because it's actually going to have the coffee grind really blend in with the water. That way it's dark enough and it's not too light. So it's the next morning and I'm going to remove the plastic from my French press. We're gonna put the lid on and we are going to drain this coffee baby out. I usually use a mason jar or anything that's empty. You can honestly just pour your cold brew in, and if you get a little bit of coffee grinds, it's not too bad. So I'm actually going to finish off now. I'm pretty sure you're so done with me babbling. I'm going to let you enjoy my everyday coffee routine. Thank you. Bye.